Hi, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you on how to make an alt account on Roblox. The steps are easy and simple, so it is perfect for helping yourself out in games on Roblox. There are a few things you have to make sure that you don't forget. Make sure you have access to more than one device. Also, make sure you don't forget your password for the main account. Now let's get started. Please don't use alt accounts for scamming. Here are how to create your alt account. On your second device, tap on the sign up option. Click on create new account. So right here you can just add your date of birth. It is not necessary that you have to make use of a real date of birth. So just click on any and confirm it. Having done that, you can now type in your gender and your username. They say don't use your real username because it's an alt account. So now you have to type in your gender, which is optional. I'll be leaving it, and click on continue. So when your alt account is being created, all you have to do is to go send friend request from your alt account to your main account, then log into your main account to accept the request. That way you have been able to team up with yourself in order to play games on Roblox. So guys, that is it on how to make an alt account on Roblox. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.